Well, the first line is ready all the way round, and we're going to celebrate it. Monty, my travel companion in Gwendolyn, is going to cut the ribbon for me. Oh, for us, and here we go. Cut the ribbon now. Hooray!
By starting off near the north wall, we depart on the first full circuit. And here we go. We're on the move. And just about here we'll be entering a tunnel. And coming out the other side of the tunnel. Down the back straight, east straight, into what will be the dock station. And there we hit, we hit something, oh no, whoops. Anyway, over the River Whittle, down through the main station, past the goods yard, on the lower level there, back down to the north wall, and we've done it!
Well done, Monty. Thank you very much. And the operator of Monty is Mandy. Thank you. I definitely think that deserves celebrating with a whiskey mac. Oh, cheers, good one. But I do have an unbelievable problem. I don't know what it is, which is why the train got stuck against that turnout. I'll show you. There's an equal curve turnout there, and at the other end of what is going to be the station, there's another one. When I wired them both in, everything shorted out. So I'm going to change the turnout with an ordinary turnout, and the same on the other end here. And that was the one that I left lying too close to the track and the train hit it going round. But I can assure you, it did go all the way round, all by itself. And I've got the track laid down there, which is the harbour next to, this will be the harbour here. So that's ready. And then I've got the other two lines to put in, coming round there. And that one will weave backwards and forwards, and join up with that track over there. And that one. And then I've got the other middle track, which is coming off there, and that's got to come through down here and through the station. So I'm getting there. And then once I've got all that track laid, I can get on with emptying some boxes with bits of scenery, the buildings and what have you, place those on, see where they're going to go, and get started on the scenery. And look at this. But there's a lady coming on Monday afternoon, and she sells haircuts, so I'm going to buy a haircut from her. In the meantime, I hope you'll come back and see the progress as it goes. Thanks for watching this one. Bye bye for now.